So today we will go for the uh, that is settlement analysis, that is consolidation of the process of the soil by process of removal of pore water present in the soil gradually due to the application of sustained static load. Because of the consolidation, there will be a decrease in the volume of the soil mass. It's used to predict the rate and amount of the settlement of the structure founded on the clay, and it is due to the preliminary due to the volume change. Let us discuss what are the apparatus required for this test. So here is a consolidometer, and it is a detachable one. It has two part, and then okay, for this test we required a loading device, that is a jack or lever system, and a ring of non-corrosive materials, and some porous stone, and a water reservoir, and a soil trimming apparatus like spatula or any trimmer knife you can use. Then the weighing balance of 0.01 gram, and dial gauge, and oven, and also some moisture can required for the moisture content of the soil sample, and we require stopwatch and also a scale. So let us discuss about the preparation of the sample. So there are two way to prepare the sample. One is the undisturbed soil sample, another is the remolded one. And before going to the test preparation of sample, we must ensure the volume of this sampling mold. Okay, so before it we require the initial diameter to determine the volume and the height. Note down both the reading, and before going to take the initial empty weight of the mold, and before placing the sample, you must ensure the both porous stone, which one it is inside this, the bottom bottom one, this should be priorly it should be saturated, 100% saturation before should be done. And we have prepared a dummy soil surface with help of a mold. Okay, so there we will see how to collect the undisturbed soil sample. Here you have prepared a dummy surface level. So you suppose take it as the surface of the earth soil. So here we will place this mold, and we will provide some static load upon this to collect the sample. Here we see the sampler goes inside the soil crust, and let us remove this from the soil surface without disturbing the middle portion of this soil mass. So we have removed this mold from the soil surface, and let us trim this both the faces of this mold. And next we will take its weight. And from this outside soil, we will take some amount of soil to determine the moisture content. And now we will assemble this soil with the consolidometer. So now assemble the consolidometer with the ring, likewise, and with the saturated porous stone on the top and bottom, and place two filter paper, that is one at bottom and another at the top. This is the non-corrosive ring, and this is the perforated plate that is with force, and it will be placed upon this porous stone. Now we will fix this assembly part along with this consolidometer, and we will assemble this consolidometer with a loading frame and with the audiometer set in the position such a way that the dial is at the beginning of its release run, that is release run. Likewise, if we will press like this into, then so initially we will keep this in a it is in the pressing moment, then automatically with suppose to the consolidation of settlement of the soil sample, it will get released. So we will take the reverse reading of the dial gauge. Okay, so we will, at that point we will connect the water system with this water reservoir with this connecting plate, so that it will be always at saturated condition. So here is the loading lever or jack, and we will mount the soil sample like this. Here is a load transmitting stud with a uniform transmission. We have placed a ball, rounded ball, and here is the audiometer which has been fixed, and now it is in uh, the audiometer is in the loading condition. So we will note down the release loading. So, and in the back side, here is the water reservoir. We will put water inside the reservoir, so as this pipe duct connected with this platform will be always in saturated condition, and we will place load with this lever, and initially we will place a setting load, that is the setting load, that is of 0.5 kg per centimeter square. This load has been already pre-calibrated, that is 0.5 kg per centimeter square, and here, so here we will see the audiometer reading of reverse count, how by applying the load at the lever, how the load at dial gauge get released, and it rotate in reverse count. So while placing the load at lever, we must ensure that it should be done upon smoothly, and during the test, the load setup should not be disturbed by any other means, by such as any haphazard touching. It should be done smoothly, and accordingly, along with the 24-hour, we will apply the load subsequently by double. For example, now I provide 1 kg of 1 kg per centimeter square load. Then next, on the after 24-hour, we will provide the second loading. But from the first reading, we will take the reading about 0.5 minute, then 1 minute, 2 minute, 4 minute. Then likewise, we will take around 2 to 4 hour reading in each count. After 24 hour, we will provide another load of double. And likewise, this test can be conducted. And while the test going on, we must ensure that this platform should be always in moist condition, such as we have to provide the water at this reservoir.